Welcome to today's episode of Gen 5's Resto Mods. We're off to go see my 68 Camaro at Frankfurt's. If you've seen some of the previous videos, they had it just about together, not quite. So today they're supposed to have it all together and color sanded and polished, or partially polished. So for those of you who are not familiar with cut and polish, it's a phrase that we use. Anyway, between each successive stage, there's various color sanding that goes on. And the final one, so one person said, why would you want to sand your car? Well, that's what happens to get rid of, that's what we do to get rid of the nubs and the irregularities and the flaws in the paint job. So it takes care of that. Sometimes there's orange peel, it flattens everything down, and so that's why you end up with a perfect mirror finish. So hopefully that's done. We'll find out today. So stay tuned for the next part. Here we go.
If you want to hold that, fly up.
Okay, so today we're doing our final fitment for the 68. All the trim, bumper, we got the bumper on. We're working on the door glass and batteries in, all this miscellaneous stuff. Close this hood down here. It's really nice how the stripes all line up. This bumper was cut and shortened, and we used the original bumper that I had. I had extra ones. So this is the result of the cut and polish. It's all been polished out, color sanded and then polished. One thing I want to show you here, which is kind of cool, I haven't used these before. These are the Eddy Motorsport rear hinges, which are hydraulic. You can actually see, well, they go down like this. There's a little hydraulic ram down there. Really nice, really cleans it up. Here's all the trim for you can see how they ended the stripe here, which is different, of course, than what the factory did. And then the stripes here. We're working on the RS lights, RSSS. So you got it in. Wow. Okay. I used to have cowl induction in here. Took that off, and there's nothing up front. We're going to leave that smooth, and the only thing we're going to have for an emblem is the Camaro SS, which will be right there. And of course we have this stock Camaro. Okay, so today is Wednesday. What's the date today? 15th? 16th. So today's the 16th. We're going to try to finish up as much as we can today, and then deliver it on Friday, so I can get her back on Friday and do my thing. I still have to do some wiring, get rid of the gas and all that business. So we should be able to have it back on the road within the next 2 weeks. See you then.